Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about round shape cake decoration idea that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea of how your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing, most creative. The creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you love creativity designs. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs and collecting my beautiful channel and amazing, beautiful and stylish cake from this video. I hope this design, this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video, beautiful ideas and beautiful designs. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebration. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. Please make sure press the bell icon and watch this video to end. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, so beautiful. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or any other celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz. I hope you love my cake designs. Thank you so much guys for watching.